Okay, listen to the class now. This is maths. Operations. With large numbers. So first, we are going to see about only addition. Now, I'll give you a problem. Listen to this carefully. There's a batsman by name, say Raghav. Okay. Raghav was a batsman. So what he does, who is Raghav? Raghav is a
Blacksmith.
he's a batsman,
Blacksmith.
cricket player. Okay. He's a cricket player. He's a batsman. Okay. There is an ongoing cricket match. There is a cricket match which is ongoing. There is ongoing cricket match. What happens in the cricket match is he is playing 188 runs. Okay. Currently he is batting. Okay. He is playing 188 runs. Now currently he is playing 188 runs. Okay. He has to complete 15,000 runs because that is the ultimate aim for his fans. So his friends are cheering. So what his friends are doing? His friends are cheering. For what they are cheering? He has to complete 15,000 runs. So what he has to do is he has to make 47 more runs. If he takes 47 more runs, what will happen is he will reach a total. What total he will reach? He will reach a total of 15,000 runs. So, did you understand this story? Did you understand the story of Raghav? Raghav is a batsman. He is playing a cricket match. Currently, he is playing for 188 runs. His friends are cheering him with banners, posters, and so many other things. They are asking him to take 47 more runs. Okay, so that he will attain 57 total runs in whole of test matches. Some sort of record break madri pananonu asapadran. So first question comes here. How many runs? Watch properly. How many runs he had scored before coming to the match? He has scored before coming to the match. Matchக்கு வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி எவ்வளோ ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. So this is the thing. So what you should do is, before coming to the match, would he have scored this 188 runs? Currently, he is playing this 188 runs, no? Would he have scored this 188 runs? Kadayadu. So, what makes him attain this 15,000? Now, currently, he is playing 188 runs. After that, he has to bat for 47 more runs. இந்த 188 ரன்ஸும் அடிச்சு இந்த 47 ரன்ஸும் சேர்த்து அடிச்சாதான் 15,000 அட்டைன் பண்ண முடியும். அப்ப மேட்ச் கிரவுண்டுக்கே வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன ரன்ஸா இருந்திருக்கும்? இந்த 188 ரன்ஸும் அடிச்சிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. இந்த 47 more runsும் அடிச்சிருக்க மாட்டாங்க இல்லையா? Both the runs he might not have taken. So what you should do is, you should first add these two runs and in the total இருந்து நீங்க இந்த 15,000 runsல இருந்து இந்த total நீங்க subtract பண்ணணும். Do you get the thing? So that is what you have to do. Have a pause right here, children. Please give a pause here. And now what you should do is, you please find out the answer and then you have to continue the video. Now, welcome back, children. I think you have done the correct answer. Okay. So now it should be 235. So if you add these two numbers, 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 you have to carry over. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then you carry over 1. You get to 235. Now you have to add now you have to subtract this 235 from 15,000. You'll be ending up with an answer, which you can check right now. It is 14,765 runs. Okay. Now I'll teach you how you have to write the steps for these sums. Okay. So first write down runs he has to obtain in today's match. The step that you have to write for your regular exams is runs he has to score in today's match. Today's matchல அவங்க ஸ்கோர் பண்ண வேண்டிய ரன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு? மேட்சுக்கு வரதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த 188 ரன்ஸும் கிடையாது, இந்த 48 ரன்ஸும் கிடையாது. So you have to add 188 and 47. Okay. Keep a rough column here and add 188 and 47 here and put the answer as 235. Okay. So this is this first step. This is 235 runs. Then what you have to do is runs he had before coming to the match. Total runs. Okay. Total runs he had before coming to this match. So this should be 15,000 இன்னும் attain பண்ணல. attain பண்ணனும் தான் பேனர்லாம் படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். So இதில இருந்து இன்னைக்கு ஸ்கோர் பண்ண வேண்டிய ரன்ஸ் மைனஸ் பண்ணினா you will be getting 14,765 runs. Clear? Now we'll be moving on to addition of large numbers. Addition of large numbers. So this everybody knows, but still we'll have a small recap. Okay. So this is 10 lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, 100, tens and ones, please. So when you write the number, place value near எழுதுங்க. So 12 lakhs 64,750. So next one is 4 lakhs 12,673. So next number that I'm going to give you is 36 lakhs 82,145. So you have to find the sum of these three numbers. Okay. Please give a pause right here and start to do the addition. Okay. So this place, you have indicated the place value of the numbers. This is for carryover. This is done for carryover. And all these three numbers that we are going to add are called the add-ins. They're called the add-ins. And the answer that you're going to obtain is called the sum. So keep doing this. This is 8. This is going to be 16. 15 here. So again, 6 plus 1 plus 8 is going to be again a 15. Yeah. 15.
Calculator something, but
It's 3 plus 4. Okay. So these are the main things that you have to be careful with adding large numbers. Now we'll be moving on to properties of addition. Today I'll be discussing the main properties of addition. So here, the first property that we are going to see is property of order, which is also known as the commutative property of addition. Okay, this is the commutative property of addition or order property. Okay, so even if you change the order of the add-ins, the sum will not change. So what is the meaning of commutative property or order property? Even if you change the order of the numbers, the sum will not change. So I give you one example. Please give me the answer. So this is 25 lakhs 70,381 plus 5 lakh 9,650. First, keep this number above and add this and get me the answer now. And then you put this number above, add this and get me the answer right now. I'll give you the answer and please check it. So give a pause here, do the sum and check your answers. Okay, so the answer that you will be getting will be 30 lakhs 80,031 in both the cases. That makes it clear that irrespective of order of the addends, the sum that you're going to obtain will always be the same or will always be equal. Okay. Next one that you're going to see here will be the associative property. So this is associative property of addition. So we always use grouping. We always group the numbers this way, that way. Okay. When there are two and more or more than two numbers also, if you are going to change the order of the addends or group them in different order, the sum will not change. So I'm going to give you a problem in this also. So it's going to be D plus this number, then this one. Okay. Add this in different combination, in different groups you have to add. First, you should add this number and this number, then add it with this number, or else you can also combine group these two numbers together and add with this number. So there will be three possible combinations. So all the three possible combinations, please try. Sorry, there will be only two possible combinations. One is this one and this one you will combine. In the next case, this one and this one you will combine, or else you will combine this one with this one. So there are three combinations. There are really three combinations with three numbers. So all these three combinations you try and you will end up with the same answer. Check this right now. I'll give this explanation with simple numbers also for you. See, if there is 3 plus 2 plus 1, you can either add 2 plus 1, which will be 3 plus 3, 6, or else you can add 2 and 3, which will be 5 plus 1, which is also 6. And the third combination is going to be 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 will also be 6. So there are three combinations with three numbers, three addends, and irrespective of the fact, whichever group you are going to add together, you will end up with the same answer. Please check this down, okay? So we'll move on to the next property. So the third property that I'm going to give you is the distributive property. So as far as distributive property is concerned, it may be appearing little bit difficult. So I'll go with simple numbers, okay? If there is a sum like, see, there's a problem given to you in which they're asking you to multiply 3 into 9. Okay, this 9 can be written as 3 into 10 minus 1. Okay, so as we are talking about this thing, I mean like addition today, we'll take this as 11. Okay, 3 into 11. Take it as 3 into 11. So it will be written as 3 into 10 plus 1. Can write 11 as 3 into 10 plus 1. So 3 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So this is the distributive property. 3 into 10 is 30 plus 3 into 1 is 3, which is 33, which is same as 11 into 3. Okay, this is the distributive property of addition. So lastly, we are going to come to the zero property. Okay, so with any number, if you add 0, then as far as addition is concerned, any number plus 0 will always end up with 0 only. Plus 0 is same number. Okay. So any number plus 0 will be the same number. This is the zero property. Okay. So now I'm going to go to a little bit of sums where you have to think and write, give me the answers. So in addends itself, I will hide you and give a few numbers. 8 box 6 box 4. Similarly, box 5 box 6, and again I will give you a box here. This is addition operation. Clearly an addition sum. Okay. In the sum answer also, I may give, okay, in this problem, I will give you all the answers. You try and find out the answer. Okay. 9, 7, 7, 7, and 1. Get me the answers. Give a pause right here. Don't look at the answer. Work out for yourself and I'll explain you how to work out soon. So children, here all that you have to remember is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is the sum. Sum minus any of this addend will give you the other addend. ஒரு அடுத்த addend வேணும் அப்படின்னா இதுல இருந்து இந்த சம்ல இருந்து ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்ன சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா அதர் பர்சன் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருவாங்க. ஸோ இங்க 4 இருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துல blank இருக்குன்னா 4 minus 0 will give you 4. 4 plus 0 will give you 4. How you get this is 4 minus 4 is 0. So இன்னொரு addend sumல இருந்து subtract பண்ணீங்கன்னா the blankல இருக்கிற addend கிடைச்சிரும். இப்போ இந்த நம்பரை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் 9 minus 6 will be 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So அதே மாதிரி தான் 7 minus 6 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. So here 7 minus 5 will be 2. But 2 plus 5 is 7. So இங்க again 17 இருக்கு. So 17 minus 8 will give you 9. Okay. This is the answer for this question. So this is the next sum. We are having blanks both on the sum side as well as in the addend side. This is also very easy for you. When you have the sum, you have to subtract any one of the addends and then you have to fill up this blank. Okay. So here what you have to do is you have to subtract 3 and 0. Okay. Now this is also an easy sum. Now you're going to do is, see, this is the answer that we have got in the sum. So obviously addend minus, sum minus addend will give you the other addend. 3 minus 0 is 3. So 0 plus 3 is giving 3. Okay. Next one is 7 is there. 7 minus 1. This is going to be 6. This is 8. 8 plus 3 will give you 11. Okay. So this is 1 here and a 1 carried over to here. So anyway, 5 plus 1 will not give you 4. So this is a larger number. Okay. This should have been 14. So the answer should have been 14. So that 1's place 4 has been taken here. So this is 14 here. What you have to do is this carry over to understand. This is getting combined with 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus something is giving you 14. So you have to subtract 6 from 14. So 14 la irundhu 6 pona, it is 8. It is 8 here. So that 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5 is giving you 14. So here again one more carryover will come. So then what you have to do? You should subtract 6 minus 2. So though 6 la irundhu 2. In the addend la rendu number vanduchu 2. Okay, 6 minus 2, which will be 4, which you are going to enter here. Then this is 3 plus 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Give 1 irukkum. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is the correct answer. You can check it out again by adding them. Okay. Today I will give you a simple sum from a previous chapter, successors and predecessors. Okay. Okay. And then we'll wind up the class right now. This is a homework for you. The successor of 3008999 is. இந்த மாதிரி நம்பர் பார்த்தாலே கமா போட்டுக்கணும். இந்தியன் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூலையோ இல்லை உங்களுக்கு இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டம் தான் நல்லா வருதுன்னா இன்டர்நேஷனல் சிஸ்டம். ஸோ ஐம் கிவிங் யூ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ். Please give me in the comments which is the right answer. Calculate பண்ணி answer கொடுங்க. Good day, children. Thank you.